Hey guys, got another detector unboxing for you. So let's just get right into it, I guess. Technically this is an unpackaging. Let's see if I can do this with one hand even. I might need to put the camera down really quickly here. Sorry about that. I like boxes better. Okay. Oh my god. I might need a knife to help me. Nope. Okay. It's just really, really hard to like tear apart. Okay. There. I got it. This is, whatever this is, this plastic is like really thick. Okay, so let's take it out. Wrapped in bubble wrap, which they graciously taped shut. I may need a knife for this part. Or maybe not. No, I don't think so. If I just do that and then this is a slip from the seller. So tear this open. Oh, another piece of tape on that side. I think there was another piece of tape. Okay, and just fell right out. So here it is. Fire Angel smoke detector. So let's open it up. Huh, box is in a little rough shape. It's a manual. Wow. It's a bit smaller than I expected. And it's a little dirty. So, yeah. This is the Fire Angel smoke detector made by... Who is it made by? I have no idea. It said distributed by... Was it Can-Am Electronics Corporation? I don't know if that's who it was made by. I'll try to... It didn't say anything on the back of the box, did it? No. Oh well. Let's see, how does the cover come off? Looks like it twists, maybe? Of course, it would be nice if this phone would focus. Okay. So... okay, yeah, it just twists off, it looks like. It just came off. So, wow, there's not much to that circuit board. But there's your horn, the regular Kobishi CLB-27 squealer. And then the sensor is... That's an unusual sensor. It's got the test button on top. It kind of goes into the sensor, kind of like on a GE. Actually, the button does look a lot like the button on the GEs. It's red and it says test. So, Americium 241. Does that say 0.5 microcuries? That's not a lot. Which is, I guess, not surprising considering the size of that sensor. It's a very small little thing. So yeah, here's the cover. There's some labeling on the cover. Battery information right there. And then test button. It says test button detects circuit only, tests detector circuit only. Do not simulate a level of smoke in the chamber. Replace battery One detector emits thunk sound at 1 minute intervals. Continuous horn indicates alarm. So that's funny. They say like the thunk, kind of like how Teledyne Waterpik said that as well. That's that there. It's the same thing. Oh, here's information about it. Let's see. I don't know where you can see it, but it says Fire Angel smoke detector. It's model FA-1. No brand name. Contains radioactive material right there, and then do not paint, and then battery usage. So, yeah. And the thing is, these covers, I've seen ones that look like this, kind of like this before. I don't know where. I think they were like a system detector, and these also kind of look like the Presto. I forget the model number of the Presto one, but the old Presto detectors that were made by Firenetics. So, let's get a battery and power this baby up. If I can, thought I had a battery here. Oh, here it is. Because I'm eager. There's no LED on there, and it looks like there's a sensitivity adjustment there. Okay. Does that go in there? It might chirp. Yep, it did. Okay, let's put the cover back on. So you don't have to close it all the way, or maybe, I don't know. Okay, let's test it now. Huh. Ooh, wait. The test button is weird. It just stopped. I'm trying to see if that's like how it sounds, or if it's a continuous horn, or is it like it's not pulsating, is it? Let's try without the cover. Yeah. I wonder if it's supposed to do that. It's like you can see I'm holding the test button, but it's like standing for like a short blast. I'll have to see if it says anything in the manual about that. Oh, I see what the problem is. Why the test button was acting strange, or why it wasn't going in the cover. Get the battery out of here. This circuit board is not on here right. Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, here's the circuit board. I don't know what that metal plate is for, but put that back on. Yeah, it was like sideways, or it was like off to the side. Give me 1 second while I snap this circuit board back in. Okay, well I got this the PCB snapped back in there properly, and it still does the same thing, and I thought the battery might have been affecting it, so put a new battery in, but it still does the same thing, so maybe that's what it's supposed to do, I don't know. But I did check the manual. The manual says the horn will sound until the test button is released, so who knows. I don't know if maybe that was unintentional, but let's test it again. If it'll actually work. Did the battery come disconnected? Why is it working when I take the cover off, but not when I put the cover on? Okay. So the battery is kind of misaligned. Like the way the terminals on the circuit board are kind of a little bit more to the right than the actual battery clip. So that's a design issue. Gotta like push it to the side or something. Yeah. See, I've got my finger, the test button's down, but it stopped sounding. Then I put the cover back on. Okay. Well, it kind of works, I guess. But yeah, it's a cool one. I've never seen this before. I didn't even know this existed. I had no idea. I don't think any of us knew that these were a thing. I've never heard of this brand, never seen one. It's a cool one, definitely. I love the look of it. So, let's take a look at the box. So, here's the box. Kind of reminds me of like a Sunbeam Centurion box where had like the flap that came up and then it was the detector sitting in a red ring, like just like this. Mounting hardware right here. It didn't come with the original battery, but the battery would have gone there. Probably would have come with a Mallory Duracell. So here's the box. It's got this nice, really cool picture featuring a vintage streetlight there. And the actual alarm. Model FA-1. And then here's the side. Other side. And then the back features this really cool diagram of the detector. And then some list of the features. Okay. So now in the box we have the California State Fire Marshal thing. According to this, dated 1978, July 6th. So, and then here's the manual. So it's owner's manual for Fire Angel smoke detector. Model number FA-1. And it has a picture of the detector, but it's like upside down. Normally it'd be that way. Weird. And then open it up. And if you want to read it, you can just pause, see if I'll see anything that's interesting. I didn't even show that one. And here's this one, this side. Huh, so it looks like it was made by Can-Am Electronics Corporation. Up there, the return address. So I'm guessing that's who it was made, but I'm not sure. Maybe it just says distributed on there, so that doesn't normally typically mean it was made by them, but I guess it was. You never know. But there's a cool diagram. They recommend only a Mallory Duracell. Testing. Where is it? Where did I see it? It said, you'll hear continuous blare of the horn until the button is released. Of course, that's not the case here. Low battery warning. They say chirp in the manual, but on the cover they said thunk. Maintenance. And then 1 year limited warranty. But yeah, I looked up Can-Am online and I couldn't find anything about them. I'll have to do some more research. So yeah, this is one of two that are known to exist. They were sold as a set on eBay, and I bought one of them. Nathaniel bought the other one, so look out for his video probably coming soon. But yeah. And another notable thing is Fire Angel. The name might seem familiar. There was a line of smoke detectors in the UK called Fire Angel, but they were much newer. They were made, I think they might even still be made today. But yeah, this is a cool one. I am very glad to have this one. Oh, and the back has the UL listing. I'll have to look up that issue number. Although it said patents pending on the inside of the cover. Assembled in Hong Kong. That reminds me of the Firenetics F900Ds that have assembled in Hong Kong written on the back and kind of like a curved pattern there. But yeah, this is a weird detector. Very rare. So that is the Can-Am Fire Angel smoke detector, model FA-1. Do one more test. Thank you for watching, and more to come.